Namaskar East Siam. We have received almost every sample back collected from the primary contact, and we have good news that they all are negative. तो as per DMO अभी जिले में बिल्कुल भी अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन नहीं है. 2 एरिया हम लोगों ने एक्टिव सर्विलेंस के लिए आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं. उस 2 एरिया में हम एक्टिव सर्विलेंस रखेंगे. और एज ऑफ नाउ सिंस ऐसी सिचुएशन नहीं है कि लॉकडाउन एनफोर्स किया जाए डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, ऑन दिस व्यू रेस्ट्रिक्शंस विल बी लिफ्टेड, बट देयर विल बी अ सेपरेट ऑर्डर विल बी इशूड फॉर दैट. And regarding the segregation of medical fraternities, I would like to inform that we have kept 6 dedicated facilities for complete segregation of medical personals. 2 dedicated hotels and 4 facilities have been identified for this task. For liaising with the volunteers who want to work into the district of East Siam, a coordination committee headed by ADC headquarters Shri Tabdu Boram, DMO East Siam and DYSP is formed for liaising with volunteers, and there is a separate committee is being formed for the welfare of frontline workers. The welfare of frontline workers will be assessed by EAC Development, Srimati Nancy Ram, and the team headed by her. There will be a representative from police department and there will be a representative from medical department. Since this is difficult time, मैं आप लोग सब लोगों से यही अनुरोध करना चाहूंगी कि आप सब लोग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बना के रखें, मास्क पहन के रखें. सिचुएशन एज ऑफ नाउ अलार्मिंग नहीं है, बट सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के द्वारा ही हम कोरोना वायरस को हरा सकते हैं. कोरोना वायरस को हराने के लिए हमें आप सभी का सपोर्ट चाहिए, तो आप सभी अपनी अपनी प्रोटेक्शन बना के रखें. ये भी अभी इन्फॉर्म किया जा रहा है कि जिन लोगों को होम क्वारंटीन नोटिस मिला है वो लोग 14 दिन का होम क्वारंटीन कंप्लीट करेंगे, उसके बाद वो लोग रिलीज हो जाएंगे. पिछले 2 दिनों में जिले के सारे सीबीओज और एनजीओज के साथ काफी वाइड स्प्रेड कंसल्टेशन की गई है, जिसमें मैं बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ बोगोंग बांगो के बांग, बोसिंग बांगो के बांग, आदि बाने के बांग एंड आदिसू आपसू और दूसरी स्टूडेंट यूनियन का जिनके साथ हमने कंसल्टेशन की है. एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो एक्सटेंडेड देयर सपोर्ट टू अस इन फाइटिंग दिस पेंडेमिक टुगेदर. और अभी भी मेरी सारी एनजीओ सीबीओ से यही अपील है कि वो इस कलेक्टिव एफर्ट में हमारा साथ दें. एंड वी आर पुटिंग आवर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड, and with the collective effort we will surely win this corona war. Thank you.
Namaskar, good evening. मैं Dr. Kalinde, DMO East Siam. Actually, last few days we had a very difficult time, and our situation actually appeared like it was escalating. Like as of now, we have almost received all primary contacts test reports. 95 out of primary contact of 112. 22 are still awaited, but these are all to be reported. There is a mechanism in the laboratory. It will be getting those reports. But what is good news about the district is that almost all the samples taken from the primary contact from COVID care center and also from the primary contact of most of the primary contacts of Nasir Ali tested negative. It's a very good sign, and that's a big achievement in fact. So there was in fact a fear of amongst the people about community transmission, but as of now the situation doesn't seem to go into that direction. The situation is now under control. We have almost contained it, and I would like to appeal to people of East Siam that in a situation like this, we should not be panicked. we should be cohesive in action, and to wherever and whatever is known to you should be informed to us, and all those actually primary contacts were tracked down and they have been quarantined and their samples tested, as I said. Most 90% of them have tested negative. So this is about the status of the test report. But as such, it's a viral disease, so it still poses danger. So I request every single citizen of the district to be very careful. The only way out to fight this virus is, we do not have a vaccine as yet, we do not have medicines to treat it. So only medicines or the mantra that we have are the face mask, social distancing, frequent hand washing, that avoiding gatherings. All these are the mantras of preventing this transmission of this virus. The situation was, the emerging situation in the last couple of days was really warranting, and it was so warranting that kind of solutions like lockdown or total ban actually was in the offing. But as of now, we have received all the reports of the primary contacts of the positive people, and tracking down of all those primary and secondary contacts and having them home quarantine. So as of now, the situation doesn't warrant that we should go for a drastic process like lockdown in a district. So I appeal the organization that let us put it off for some time till we see the situation, that the situation becomes out of control. As of now, the situation is right at our disposal and it is under control. So meanwhile, we'll be free to move about our steps, tracking the people and testing them. So I would like, once again I feel that lockdown as of now should be put off for some time.